So this was option 1, but I've got not one but 2 options for you. So if you're thinking of dal makhani, butter chicken, anda keema pav, now these are all things that you can order from this place called Desi Junction. It's a great place for takeouts. You'll enjoy the food.
Hi, my name is Atir and welcome to Desi Junction Restaurant. We are situated in Karama, just behind the Fortune Karama Hotel. Desi Junction actually stands for good food. Desi Junction is the junction for traditional Indian food. It stands on the strong ethics of serving traditional Indian food with the original recipes and in a very economical price, really. So the highlight in the Desi Junction menu is tawa. We are the only restaurant in Karama, and I would say very few in Dubai who has this highlight. Even though tawa is very popular in India and it produces one of the tasty recipes, it is not something which is looked at. If you travel around Dubai, you will see restaurants serving tandoor, dum cooked, and very exquisite things in their cooking techniques. But we specialize in tawa. Kadai and lagan is one of the highlights in the menu. The recipes what we follow are traditional. We emphasize a lot on our recipes and the quality of the food what we are cooking. So the first dish what we have for you today is butter chicken. Our chefs actually come from Moti Mahal, Delhi, and that is the place where Murg Makhani, that is butter chicken, was born, and it traveled all over the world. So we follow that traditional recipe and try to give you the memories of that Purani Delhi.
Being a Punjabi, I just love North Indian food, and we all are very fond of butter chicken, and I was looking for the right kind of flavor that I used to get in Delhi. And when I tried the butter chicken from Desi Junction, I think I found what I was looking for.
Chaat, when we make a chaat, we emphasize on the chutneys. So it will again remind you of that Bihari chaat, that Purani Delhi chaat. And even if you go to Punjab, you can find the resemblance in the recipe.
Chaat is all about chutneys, and I just tried Safe Puri in Desi Junction, and it's just spot on. Really nice.
I'm very fond of chaats, and when it comes to my favorite, it has to be the Safe Puri.
Dal makhani is one of the dishes what I personally like in the menu, and our dal actually cooks for 48 hours with only kasuri methi, so that gives it a very unique flavor, and it again reminds you of the traditional Indian dal makhani what you would have in any other place in India, especially in Punjab and Delhi.
The dal makhani is, I think, the most authentic in Dubai, because also it is cooked for 48 hours, which is how it should be. So it's one of my favorite dishes here.
After years of hunting, I managed to find my one-stop shop for the creamiest dal makhani, and I found at Desi Junction in Karama, and I'm really very happy.
The other recipe what we are making today is Charminar Bhuna Gosht. The way the meat is cooked in a traditional Hyderabadi style with the onions and the red chilies is amazing. I mean, whenever we cook it in the kitchen, the whole restaurant just smells of that red chilies and onions. It's just fabulous.
Bhuna Gosht over here at Desi Junction, it's sharp on spices, and it's really nice.
Faluda what we make in the restaurant is very unique. We add gulkhand in the faluda, we have that rabdi in the faluda, and then you've got the tutti frutti. It makes it a very wholesome faluda, and it is not something which is for a person who's faint-hearted, but it is very lively and tasty.
For all you Faluda lovers out there, Desi Junction is one-stop shop to satisfy your sweet cravings.
The creaminess of the ice cream and the flavor of gulkand with faluda, I think, is just amazing.
Desi Junction has been very lucky by far to serve over 5,000 loyal customers, and I invite you all to try our traditional Indian cuisine. I'm sure you will enjoy it.
That's all we have on this episode of Weekend Out. I hope I have satisfied all your cravings for everything that you can do on the weekend. Till I see you next week with another episode, just remember one thing: no sawal, no doubt, sabka solution. Weekend Out.